Today, we're going to read from an article that has been posted on data.gov, and it is about health. Now, we're not going to read the entire article. We are only going to read until the third bullet point, and that's where we will stop. If you'd like to follow along, the link is posted below. So, the article is entitled Tom Frieden, Data Wonk, dated January 27th, 2014. I love data. Is there anything more fulfilling than a deep dive into numbers? Following the trends, thinking about what we can do better, seeing where we've done a great job. It's so satisfying. Yes, I admit it proudly. I am a data wonk. I'm always eager to get my hands on new data, and nothing frustrates me more than having to wait. Last year, my staff was looking at new data from the Behavioral Risk Factor Surveillance System. It was the first time we were reporting data that included cell phone only households. I asked many people to send me the data for a sneak peek, but sigh, no one would give it up. One of my favorite parts of the job as director of CDC is my monthly conversation with the director, where I meet one-on-one with CDC staff. For years, I've been citing a scientist's data on heart disease deaths since 1980. When I found out he was a CDC employee, I couldn't wait to sit down and go over his analysis. That's my idea of a great way to spend an hour. As America's health protection agency, CDC has a unique role as both a data collector and a data generator, identifying national health trends and reporting on interventions. Data help us report on success stories such as these examples of progress we made in protecting Americans' health in 2013. Bullet point number 1. We saw a 32% decrease in overall bloodstream infections and a 54% decrease in vascular access-related bloodstream infections because of CDC 2013 prevention guidelines. Bullet point number 2. More than 100,000 Americans quit smoking because of CDC's Tips from Former Smokers national ad campaign. And bullet point number 3. We, along with our partners, achieved the milestone of preventing HIV infection in 1 million babies around the world over the past 10 years. That's where we're going to stop reading. Now, just to clarify, sometimes there's some question from language learners as to how to pronounce the word data. Is it data or is it data? Really, in conversational English, you can pronounce it either way. You'll hear some speakers say data. I was reading the data. You'll hear others say I was reading the data. Really, context makes clear what word you mean, data or data, and so you can use either of those pronunciations.